JP here. Just here to talk you through some of my gear that I'm using at the moment. Start with the guitar. Got the new Carvin sh275 here, which is a beautiful guitar with the two outputs, standard magnetic pickups and the MIDI pickup output. Beautiful guitar. Just had this made and sent over from the States. Couldn't be happier with it. So this gives you obviously your standard guitar sound, which is right here, running into the Mesa Transatlantic 30 amp. What I really like about it as well is being able to add an acoustic sound and also a synthesizer sound. So this is the piezo pickup, which is this bridge here. You can hear that giving you sort of an acoustic kind of flavour. Being able to add that in your clean songs is kind of a nice. So if you hear, this is the amp mixed with that clean sound. And the clean sound by itself. Yeah, so it's just something different, something you can add into certain songs. And then the synthesizer, which I really love. Make your 3-piece band sound like a 4-piece band. And then you put all 3 of them together and you get a lot of noise. Yeah, so really great versatile guitar and a beast of an amp, which I'm really loving. Okay, as for pedals, I can show you my pedal board here. So the synth noises you were hearing were coming out of this one, which is the GP10. It's the new pedal from Boss. For effects, I'm running the TC Nova system, which is multi-effects, pretty much set it up to do anything you want it to do. Overdrive, we've got the Visual Sound VSXO dual overdrive pedal, Crybaby Wah, and channel switcher for the Nova system. So there's not a whole heap of effects going on, but it's enough to keep me happy. And that's basically it. It's not a super complicated rig, but a few different things going on there, and I get questions about the MIDI and whatnot, and so hope that answers a few of your questions, and yeah, rock on. See you later.